Well, as you can hear, the DX is rolling pretty heavy today. Not too, yeah, that guy right there. Alabama, Kentucky, Georgia. Anyway, what we're doing here is testing a Wawasee JB1002. It's a frequency counter and meter. I just got it fixed, got a new meter movement put in it, did some modifications to it, replaced some out of value parts in it. It seems to be working pretty nice. See if anybody can hear me out there. About out there, DX land, Baker 52, Iowa. Anybody hear me? Come on. Right now we're in the 200 watt scale, driving it with my Galaxy, which has been modified quite a bit. Anyway, showing 50-60 watt peak power. And we're just here trying this old Wawasee out. Old Wawasee Black Cat must be 60 years old. But it's working. No problem. Working now. 52 Iowa. We're on the side. Some people hear me. I heard someone saying something about Iowa. Go ahead. 52 Iowa got you. I want all you out there in DX land, come on back. Baker 52 Iowa. Come on. Can you hear me out there? 305, you tell 247 52's on him. All right, 305, you go ahead back to 247. I didn't mean to step on him. That's all right. That's all right. I got over you. Ha ha. I did. I got over you. No, I'm talking on the Mako right now. The one I completely rebuilt. Doing LO, doing about 900, somewhere around there. Alrighty, that's it. The cool thing is how accurate this counter is. My bench counter says 204.9, and this counter says 204.9. So I got that calibrated perfectly. Alrighty, Mr. Wolfman, Bob, this video is for you, and we're done.